Number 5. A mother and son are talking to the camera, describing the strange events that they are witnessing in their very own home. What could it be? We are expecting something to happen, but aren't quite sure from the outset. It's when she turns the camera and we hear her saying, it's moving," that we realize what is going on. The teacup on the table suddenly slides forward all by itself. No one touches it or is anywhere near it, but the cup clearly is moved by some invisible force. Similar to if someone grabbed it and physically pushed it away. The boy goes over to investigate. Not sure, he looks back at his mother, who is behind the camera expressing her disbelief.
Avec Dylan, ça fait 10 minutes qu'on entend des bruits chelous dans la cuisine.
Oh ouais, depuis 10 minutes, il y a du bruit, mais ça fait peur en fait.
Du coup, on préfère filmer au cas où il y a un psychopathe qui vient de nous trucider. Tout le monde dort, il n'y a personne dans la cuisine. Chut, les filles, s'il vous plaît. Du coup, tu viens avec moi?
Ouais.
Attendez, je vais tourner la caméra. Donc, attends, je sais pas d'où viennent les bruits. Tu viens avec moi, Dylan? Reste vers moi. Attends. J'ai vu un truc bouger.
Moi j'ai entendu du bruit.
J'ai vu un truc bouger. T'as entendu du bruit?
Oui, j'ai entendu.
Je te jure, j'ai vu un truc bouger, Dylan.
C'était quoi?
Je sais pas. Attends, coupe pour regarder la vidéo. Attends.
Number 4. Working the late shift at the airport, a landing attendant who is a big believer in the paranormal never expected to make a big capture of his own. Often reposting videos online of various occurrences that he has found to be interesting, he has stated to have witnessed many happenings while on duty, but never managed to record any of it. That was until this happened.
¡Ven, acércate! ¡Acércate! Ay, cabrón, son como 3 hijas de su puta madre. ¡Ven, acércate! ¡Acércate! Ay, cabrón, son como 3 hijas de su puta madre.
In the video, he managed to capture a very unusual sound in which he couldn't identify. It echoed out from beyond the darkness, sounding like a crow or some kind of large bird. This being almost impossible as such birds aren't known to be active after dark. He states the noises were something himself or any other coworker has never heard before.
¡Ven, acércate! ¡Acércate! Ay, cabrón, son como 3 hijas de su puta madre. ¡Ven, acércate! ¡Acércate! Ay, cabrón, son como 3 hijas de su puta madre.
Number 3. It is often said that the vastness of the ocean hides many secrets. There could exist all sorts of strange creatures that we don't know that exist yet. Could this be one of them? A fish monster hybrid with humanoid hands is on a pier, doing its best to wriggle its way back into the nearby lake. The video captions the creature as being some kind of chimera or fusion of multiple types of animals all in one. Mysterious, terrifying, and strange all rolled into one. Number 2. Driving home, they spotted something or someone sitting on the roof of a house. After making a spin around, they managed to capture it on camera. The high rate of speed of the car and the low light condition of the video, we can't clearly make out who or what that was. Not quite making the list, here are a couple of inclusions that you might find interesting.
Whoa, what was that? Whoa, what was that? I swear I've seen someday.
So I woke up today and I found these tracks. That's where they start. And there's nothing to even go. And if we head over here, they go around and they disappear. And then they pick up again. And then they make this like weird circle thing or triangle. And they look like to go around the shed. No idea what it is or what it is. Very spooky, man. Got a ghost. And it actually explains a whole lot.
Captured in the Dominican Republic, the people recording state that they have captured a bruja on camera. The woman is recorded on the streets grabbing at a piece of paper and scratching at the dirt. They try to talk to her, but she responds with, "Get away, go."
Estaba volando y se cayó. ¿Y por qué usted dice que lo vaya a parar?
¿Por qué no puede parar? Sí, mira, viniste ahí. Ven por ahí, ven.
Una bruja, mire.
Ven.
After some time, she appears to put the paper in her mouth and continue to grab for something else in the dirt. There is no evidence that she truly is a witch, but her behavior and appearance is no doubt very strange.
Estaba volando y se cayó.
Y venga para mí.
¿Y por qué usted dice que lo vaya a parar?
¿Por qué no puede parar? Sí, mira, viniste ahí. Ven por ahí, ven.